Hello everyone. Today Wei Wu and me, Yilong Hu, will be representing our Team 22 for demonstrating this technical presentation for our final project, which is Clinical Decision Support System for Hospital Discharge Decision Making. To begin with, here is the screen prototype for the existing user interface design format from previous team's work. You can see that the user interface is pretty primitive, and it contains 7 panels showing all the information at the same time. So here is the new screen prototype for our final project, which is to design a more user-friendly and intuitive user interface for the existing functionality. So here you can see that it not only contains the more illustrative graphs, but also provides more flexible options to the end users. So here is a high-level functionality design of our final project. So I already showed you the existing UI, which is very basic format. And the main goal of our team is to improve it to support up to 7 panels available in an intuitive style. And also the new interface needs to be user-friendly, which means, for example, it only shows the active information instead of all of them. And also the graphs and charts need to be demonstrated along with the information for better readability. And also it needs to support the clinicians to overrule the decisions. And in the end, it needs to integrate well with the existing backend code to provide responsive service to the end user. So here is the technical stack for our team. The major techniques our team will use are JavaScript, HTML, PHP, and possibly Node, React, and other front-end techniques and frameworks. So here is a high-level architecture of our final project. On the left side, it's the current existing backend architecture from previous team, and on the right side, it's the architecture for our final project, which is to take advantage of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to provide a more user-friendly UI to the end users.
So shown here is the developing plan for our project. Basically, we are going to improve the current user interface developed by the previous group. We plan to develop a more intuitive UI using modern frameworks such as AngularJS or React. Our backup plan is to apply OneUp Health, which is a fair API-based platform to develop our web application. OneUp Health is open source, and it is built with Node, React, and Next.js, which allows the developer to build a reliable web application with a user-friendly UI. After the front-end development, we will integrate it with the current back-end models and the database. Shown in this slide is our updated Gantt chart. At this point, we haven't encountered any issues for our project. Everything is on schedule. In the next few weeks, we will focus on developing the UI and integrating the front end and back end, and start our testing. This table shows the roles and tasks for each team member. Alright, this is our group's technical presentation. Thank you.